Yo, what's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be doing a live trade breakdown on NAS100, and I'm just going to quickly go through what's going on. So in this current trade I am bearish, so I'm targeting these areas of sell side liquidity right here. So what has price done? Price has stop hunted this area and came up here, then formed an order block, which I entered off the formation of this order block, which I will not be teaching or showing exactly how I would enter off this exactly. However, what you can do now is, after price breaks this low, or right now, we should see price retracing into this order block potentially and just breaking down, or you can just enter right here. What would be a high probable entry would be price breaking the swing low, coming up here and then retracing off an order block or a imbalance, and then for price to break down. That'll be a high probability entry. This entry is quite risky, so I would not completely recommend it unless you know what you're doing. So let's see what price wants to do. So right here we can see that price just retested this order block I was just talking about, and we should now see it potentially come up one more time and then just break down. A break of structure for here would be great. So we want to see price do this, break structure, come back up here and break down. So let's see what price wants to give us. So right now prices came up into this area. Let's have a look. Okay, now the next candle should be bearish. So this candle should close bearish, and the next one should also close bearish to break the low, and done. So price has come into this volume imbalance, or it is coming to this imbalance right here. I'm going to move my stop loss a tiny bit higher for spread. Then I'll move it back once this candle closes. So what's this? 0.6. Okay. So yeah, this now price should start moving down. The next candle should not mitigate this high, and price should just start falling after that. Okay. So now I'm gonna move my stop loss back, and now price should break structure and we should be gone. So within this next 30 seconds we should see price come down here, potentially just break structure with this one candle, and then retest this order block or retest the imbalance for institutional order flow entry drill, and then we should start breaking down. So currently we see prices mitigated this order block and this imbalance area over here. So this didn't do what I did, so this is, I'm a bit cautious right now. However, we can still see price do what I want it to do, or I'm looking for it to do. So yeah, we just have to wait and see. My stop loss shall do all the work for me. No motion trading. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay. So now I'm looking for a break of structure here. Break of market structure. Let's label this order block so you guys can see. You don't need to worry too much about the volume, not volume, about this imbalance I was talking about. I'll potentially teach it in a mentorship if I decide to do one. But let's not get ahead of ourselves here. Okay, so now price should be just wicking into this area right now, and we should fly off. Let's have another look at where we can expect price to reject from. Okay. Okay, now price should now start breaking down. So if these are OTE entries, we can say that we are targeting this area, which is in line with where I'm targeting. Okay, so now price should now finish doing its shenanigans over here, and it should now break down and be more fluid. So yeah, price is now broken structure, which is great. Now it's confirmed my entry, and now we can expect price to come up here, or we can just expect price to break down. Not too worried since I got my first entry and I should be chilling right now. So yeah, look at this. Okay, now let's see a close of this candle. Next few candles should be a retracement potentially. And let's just see what happens. So let's have a look on a 5 minute. So the 3 minute, this order block has been created. 3 minute order block, let's label that 3 minute bearish order block. Okay, so it goes in line with the 1 minute order block, so we'll just label this as the bearish order block. So we could see price potentially coming up here and then just falling, or we shall just see price fall from this area right here. Okay, so let's see what happens, and let's do one more time quick rundown of how I took this trade. So what did I see? I saw NAS100 stop hunt, then price came in, formed an order block, I entered off the order block formation, stop loss above swing high, and then price sort of broke structure, but then price came up back up into this imbalance and then started dropping, broke structure, and now it's given more confidence for this trade, more confluence, and we should be blessed. So price has mitigated everything I needed, my entry is good, and we should now expect price to just bless me. Here we can see the order block has pretty much been violated, and Price should break this. Now potentially we just see price going straight to the target, since this impulse was very heavy, so price might not come up into this area above. It might just come into this 15-minute order block that it has created. However, that's after 12 minutes potentially, so let's just see what happens. So yeah, price has broken this area, breaking market structure, so making this trade even more high probable for it to come down to the sell side liquidity targets. Here's where I'll take some partials, and here's where I let the trade finish. So right now I can put my stop loss to break even, and I can be chilling. So now I'm just going to watch price and probably speed up the video. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Have fun watching this play out. Alright.
Dark side, light this bitch up.